Hi guys, welcome to STEAM. We're gonna make an exciting little thing that looks like this. And this is part of the take and make at your library. So please try and get yourself one of these. Comes with everything that you will need. Anyways, this is a little bit of lesson on engineering energy. Energy is the capacity of power to do work, and it can come in many forms: heat, light, chemical, electrical, etc. This activity will explore two forms of energy: potential energy, which occurs when an object is storing energy, and kinetic energy, which occurs when an object is in motion. A simple rubber band will be used to demonstrate how to create potential energy by twisting the rubber band several times to the propeller, wind it, and then into kinetic energy, which makes it fly, which this is not a very good space for this. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to make one. You're going to need a popsicle stick, your propeller. I'm going to pop that right on the end there. Let's start with this first. We're going to need a large paper clip. We're going to open it up. Oops. Let's try another one. We're going to open it up. Once they bend a little too much, then they get a little weak. We're going to take our tape. And we're going to tape that paper clip in place. We're going to come with tape to the kit, so no fear. Tape this guy right on here. I want to make sure that it stays, so I used a lot. Just like that. Then we're going to tape your little cutout that you can cut out for your helicopter. We're going to tape it right on here. Do that. So I'm going to tape it on like that, leaving a little bit of space on top for the propeller to slip on. Make sure that it's straight. It might have something to do with the way that it flies. Then we're going to put on the top. We're going to hook our rubber band there and here. There you go. Got everything there. And you know, if you want, you've got a little dude, a little army dude. You can even put him on there too. Maybe it will affect the way that it flies. Who knows? It may look really cool too. I'm going to put him right there. I'm curious to see how this is going to work. He didn't quite stay. Maybe I can tape him to the little down here. We'll take a little ride right at the paper clip. Anyways, guys, I hope you have fun with this little experiment. Make sure and draw your little people or your little windows. Alright, guys. Have a good day.